We're going to show you how to install the filters to the faucet. So first you have to put in the stainless steel nut into the tube, okay, just like this, and then you see there's a faucet stainless steel. Okay, push it in and then lock it. Okay, I'm going to push, that is for in. So for in, you use a white tube and then you use a plier to strengthen it. Okay, now we're going to install the acidic tube. Okay, over here, again you do the same. Okay, put in the nut. Okay, the acidic tube is slightly wider, so you have to push it more inside. Okay, and push in the tube and then just turn. Okay, make sure you push the tube inner so that it can lock, otherwise there will be water leaking. Okay, and then use the plier, strengthen it. Okay, now you just need to, okay, after you strengthen it, you lock it to your faucet at your sink. Yeah, just lock it. That's where the acidic water comes out.